You can see this channel with just 649 videos. It has gained 12 million, actually over 12.5 million subscribers. And here, you can see the last video has 25 million views. And the one after that has 852 million views. These videos are created using nothing more than a single prompt. And I'll demonstrate all the features of this tool. For you, by creating these types of videos, you can potentially earn millions of dollars. Every single month, it's a very simple process. I will show that to you. I'll play the video and then show you. How do you make it? The very first thing you need to do is, first you will download this video. So I have already downloaded the video. To get ideas for the kind of video you want, you should download the video. I have downloaded it using ChatGPT. Then you will come to the file you suck. You will need to go to the Files option. You will see files listed right there. From Files, you will then select the video file. Once you have selected it, you will type in this box. Need same-to-same animation script. I have already typed that in here. And look, it has generated my same-to-same script for me. Now I am telling it to autocode copy. Alright, wish it that we've just created a 10-second prompt. From here, we'll copy this prompt. After copying, you can create it from any platform. I'll directly use Google VO3 to make it. As you all know, videos can be created with Google VO3 for free. It gives 50 credits to each account. We'll directly look at the ratio. From here, I have selected a video here. After selecting the video, we selected 10 seconds from here. After selecting 10 seconds, I am using the OmniFlash version. Now we are directly giving the prompt. We are clicking here after giving the prompt. Now our video has started generating. So our video has been completed. Now I'll play it for all of you. I just created this entire video with only a single prompt. So by making this kind of video content, I've shared a shortcut with you on exactly how you can create it. You can upload this type of video content and earn plenty of dollars from YouTube. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.